all the dignitaries to kindly occupy the seats on the dais, as it is a sign of all noble souls. I invite our principal, Reverend Father Anil Prakash Disalva, to accord the words of welcome to the gathering.
Respected President of today's program, Very Reverend Father Anthony Michael Shera, dignitaries on the dais, Reverend Sisters, parents, well-wishers, and my dear students. There is no better hospitality than understanding, no gesture kinder than a pleasant welcome. I take this opportunity to do the needful. We have amidst us the President of today's annual day program, Very Reverend Father Anthony Michael Shera, the Secretary of the Catholic Board of Education of the Diocese of Mangalore. He is extremely dynamic, innovative, and systematic, and above all, who has a clear vision and mission. Of course, we will be hearing more about him very shortly. On this auspicious day, I extend a cordial welcome to you, dear Father. Mr. Thomas Krasta, the Vice President of Parish Pastoral Parishad, is best known for his discipline and hard work. He always supports the school activities. I extend a warm welcome to you, dear sir.
May I request Mrs. Bhavya to welcome him.
Mrs. Priscilla D'Souza is the Secretary of the Parish Pastoral Parishad. Being a teacher by profession, she knows the functionality of the school. She is very supportive, always renders her service. A hearty welcome to you, dear madam.
I request Mrs. Arinakshi to welcome Mrs. Priscilla D'Souza.
Mr. Mahesh Puniyur is the Vice President of PTA Executive Board. He is always with the management, staff and the students. He is always ready to render any services. He has supported us in different way. A joyful welcome to you, dear sir.
I now request Mrs. Ishma to welcome him with flowers.
A cordial welcome to you, dear sisters, deacon, parents, well-wishers, and the guest. I cannot forget my staff and students who are always with me. It's because of your cooperation and dedication we would organize this annual day celebration. A pleasant welcome to you all. At last, I wish all of you a very good cultural evening. May God bless you.
Now I request Mrs. Pooja to welcome our dear principal, Reverend Father Anil Prakash Disalva, with the booking. I also request Mrs. Lenora to welcome our school pupil leader, Aisha Hina. Thank you, Father, for entangling the audience with the words of warmth. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. We have indeed accomplished many things in the academic session and added many feathers to our cap. Ms. Zita and Mrs. Seema have toiled together to present this annual report of the academic year 2019-20. Now, let us have a glimpse on the ongoings in the St. Monica School.
Has full furnished building. The computer room was updated. Arrangement is made for pure drinking water supply.
St. Monican family. Thank you, Mrs. Seema and Zita, for presenting the report. A platform with ample opportunities, both in academic and co-curricular activities, are given to children to discover inherent talents in them. We feel proud to say that the third batch students of the 10th standard have secured 100% result in the CBSE board examination. I now kindly request our President, Very Reverend Father Anthony M. Serra, to come forward and distribute the prizes to the outstanders of Class 10 students in the academic year 2018-19. Audience, please give him a big hand. Second place goes to Preeti Prabhu and she has got 86%. And third place goes to Rahul K with 85%. Congratulations, toppers. We wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Now, I request you, dear Father, to felicitate our faculties who are so committed and regular during this academic year. Sister Regina. Sister Rita.
Light it up.